Programming TIS motorization is straightforward. TIS provides its own motor range, and it can also control third-party curtain, blind, and shutter motors using TIS relay controllers. Since TIS motors do not have a broadcast PRG button, you'll need to use the Address Manage Device Address menu to search for each motor. Once the motors appear, assign each one a proper address according to the TIS addressing standard. After giving each motor its address, test it by selecting it from the list and opening it. In the Device Test section, use Open, Close, and Stop to verify the motor's function. Once you identify it, enter a clear comment such as bedroom curtain. Then select the correct motor type. If it's an older model without percentage position control, choose curtain switch old M3 motor. If it's a newer TIS motor, select motor with position feedback and assign it to its room. For TIS roller blinds, position feedback is always supported, but you must first program the motor's limits using its own remote, following the manual. You'll see the motor begin to rotate during this process. If you skip this step, you'll only hear a beep each time you try to control it from the software. After finishing the remote setup, return to the software, test the motor, add the comments, and assign it to its room. When working with third-party curtain, blind, or shutter motors, each motor requires 2 relay channels. These channels must be consecutive, such as channels 1 and 2, or 3 and 4. You cannot mix channels like 1 and 5. Always connect the close wire to the first channel and the open wire to the second channel. For example, if you have 2 motors connected to a 12-channel relay, you might use channels 9 and 10 for the first motor, and channels 11 and 12 for the second. To program them, open the relay and write a simple comment for the channels, but leave the room undefined. Then go to the Combination section. Under Relay Channels for motor control, enable the curtain combination for the paired channels, such as 9 and 10, and 11 and 12. Enter the exact running time for each motor, the time it takes to fully open or fully close. For example, if the first motor runs for 18 seconds and the second for 26 seconds, enter these values. Then name each motor, assign its room, and save. For relays installed behind switches, or for the miniADS relay, open the device and in Digital Output select Curtain Alight. Write the curtain name for channels 1 and 2, assign the room, and select the curtain type. Repeat the same process for all remaining motors and relay controllers. Everything you program is saved inside the project. To review your configuration, go to Project the Select Project Config, go to Rooms, and check that all motors appear under their correct rooms.